In this video, you're going to learn my favorite West Coast swing moves, but first you're going to learn Megan's and Emily's and one of our students' favorite moves. My name is Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
This is Miss Megan. So the first one is a tuck turn to an elbow catch. 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Anchor step. We just did a whole tuck turn video with a bunch of variations. This is one on it. So I'm going to lead the tuck 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm going to dance and 5 with my feet, and I'm going to lead my partner to dance and 5. And I'm going to catch with the elbow. I'll show you this on the other side. Put her on the foot for 6. Inside turn, anchor step. If I looked at that from the other side, so we lead a passing tuck 1, 2, 3, and 4. At this point, she's feeling an acceleration 4 and 5. And 5. I put her back on that foot for 6. Inside turn 7 and 8. Anchor steps. That's number 1. That's the elbow catch. That was Emily's contribution. The second one we just did a video on. It's anything with a pop out or a rock and go. So anything that I roll Megan in, roll her out. Megan likes that because she likes to spin. You can get to a pop out from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Anchor step. If you want to learn a bunch of variations on that, let me link this video up here. We just did a whole video on all the different variations you can do that. The one that I'm digging now is like an Apache whip with a walk around. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it's an Apache whip or a whip with an outside turn. 2, 3, and 4. I start to change a hand behind the back for 5, for 6. As I get 6, I put my hand on her. I take this up and over my head and I lead a circle with my left hand for walk, 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 walk. Kind of delivering Megan back into the slot. Anchor step. If we did that one from the other side, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The next one is a whip with an outside turn variation. I think our student Danny really likes this, if I'm correct. Is that right?
I think so.
So I start a basic whip, but I pick up this hand underneath. 2, 3, and 4. Outside turn 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I lead a reverse whip with an outside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Change the hand, right? So cross hand hold. It starts like a hustle whip, sort of. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I put her forward on 4. I take this hand over for 5, this hand over for 6, standard anchor. Then I have the reverse whip, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. But check this out. I'm going to add move number 5. Because if you do this whole thing, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and you lead the reverse whip, but I go into Brian B's move. We just made this up on the fly. Walk, 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 anchor step, and then we can come out with whatever you want. All right, speaking of your favorite moves, how do I remember them and how do I keep track of them and make sense of them? I've got 2 things for you. Number 1 is our pattern tree. That was devised by Megan. It's a way that you can see how all of the passes that you have revert back to a push, pass, and whip. You can download it here for free. The other thing is a membership to our website, socialdanceonline.com, where you have unlimited access to all the patterns we've ever done. But what's great about it is they're broken down between beginner, beginner intermediate, intermediate, and advanced, and pro level moves. But the best part is you can tag and save your favorite moves that you're working on. So the combination of those two will help you look great on the dance floor in the new year.